Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can attach file uploads in your contact form 7 entry. So when somebody goes into your website and then you fill in your form, and if you happen to have a file upload system on that contact form and you are using contact form 7, now you'll be able to receive the details of that contact form entry as well as the file uploaded by that person. Now, I want to believe that before then you must have configured your website SMTP so that you'll be able to receive email, especially if you are using WordPress. Now, having known all of this, let's dive in and see how that can be achieved. So we have a website here, as you can see. And in this website, somebody can actually submit a CV. So when I click on register now, so you can see that somebody can submit a CV, and then this contact form has a file upload. So what we can do in the configuration is to come over to contact form 7. Now in the contact form 7, you already have the tags for your contact field. So the name, the email address, the phone number, and all of that. And down here you have the file upload, which in this case is a CV. Now this is what we want to include in the form delivery tag, and this is the actual tag here. So I'll just copy that. So I'll come over to the mail. So this mail right here. So I'm going to click on it, right? And you can see all the available tags. So we have full name, email address, phone number, state of origin, your inquiry, and then upload your CV. So when I scroll down, you can see I've already configured the message body. Hello there. You have a new message entry from your website here. Below are the details of the entry. So I've configured all of that except the file upload. So what we can do, if you include say registrant, or say registrant CV. If I do registrant CV, just like the other tags, and I include the tag which in this case is the upload your CV. Now it's not going to fetch that tag. It's not going to fetch the file, in the delivery. And then we can test that to see. Okay, so when I save, I can then go to that website. So this is the contact, the register form. I can come to this website and I can fill it in. Yeah. So when I click on upload, so I can just upload a file, and then when I click on submit application, so you can see that application has been successfully submitted. Now I want to go to that email address, the recipient email address, where all entries should be sent to on this website, and then I will check to see if that file will exist. So here is that email address, the recipient email address. You can see the latest entry. You can see you have a new registration entry. So when I click on it, so you can see that we have registrant CV. You can just see the name of the file, but not the file itself. So we want to have the file, not just the name of the file. So I'll just go back. I'll just go back to the contact form 7 edit and make some changes. And what I can do is, remember, under the mail tab, you want to include this tag here right on the file attachment. So this is where you should include this tag. So I can go ahead and just delete this information, then I will save. Now when I go back to that website, so let me click OK to close it. And I go to the register page now. So I'm going to try to register again and let's see how it goes. So submit your CV. So I'll fill in my details again. Check this goes. So again, this is a test entry. And I'm going to upload that file again and click on the submit application button. Now application has been submitted, so let's go check it up again. So go back to that email and just do me a little refresh. So you can see we have a new entry, so you have a new registration entry. When I click on it, so now you can see that the file is attached. You can see it right here. The file has been attached with all the other information. Now I can click on this file and you can see it right here. So this is the PDF that I attached to that form entry. So we are good to go now. That is exactly, guys, how you can be able to configure your file attachment, your contact form 793. Let me know if you have a question. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see